Okay, so most of the fish here are down near that waterfall up there, usually. But I'm gonna throw a couple more short ones first. Just make sure. As I'm moving up to get closer to there, we don't miss any fish. They're lurking right here. It's a pretty good cast. That's just what I wanted. I need to drag through the shade. It's 95 degrees out. Oh, there's something on. Another little bluegill. It's 95 degrees out, so the fish want cool water right now. Wet the hand in case I need to grab it, but I'm probably just flip this guy off. Really little bluegill. Come on, buddy. You got this. And away he goes. Okay, so I just moved up a little bit. It's a pretty good cast. Wish it would have been a little further. I think I'm going to step up a few more steps. I haven't fished here in a little bit, so I'm trying to remember how long I need to let it drop for, and I think I'm doing a good job. But fishermen, we second guess ourselves a lot. Oh, that was a bite. There's one. There's another bite. Shit. Oh, he's nibbling. There he is. Ah, it's another bluegill. Damn it. And so maybe the bluegill have moved in and the trout have moved out. Wouldn't that be sad? That just means they're further up or further down though. They ain't going anywhere. But usually they love the base of that waterfall. I'm surprised. No trout yet. Let's throw another one over there. It's a good cast. It's right where I wanted. There's actually two little waterfalls that come down there and converge, and I like it right in between them. So if I don't get a response from a trout on this in the next 3 casts, we're switching. Whoopsie, that was really bad. We're switching to the panther. That cast we're not going to count. Back with the panther. I usually do very well with the panther in this spot. It's tricky not getting them snagged sometimes because the rocks go up and down and up and down and up and down, and on one of the down points it's easy not to get it up quick enough and then you get snagged. That's a good little shot. The back end of the water there sometimes can be fruitful, and also under that tree over there. I definitely have lost a couple lures to that tree. I should go over there and check that tree for my old lures. I forgot about that. I always said I was going to go back and unsnag them. Maybe at the end of the day today. Nice big red crawdad down here. Right there. Another one right there. Another one back there on the backside. So I've seen a lot of crawdad claws from dead ones floating in the screen. Oh, there's another one over there. So these fish are eating real good. That crawdad over there, oh, he's got a big blue claw. Yeah, they're everywhere. Man, maybe we should be doing a crawfish boil later. Let me fish this little dark section right here first. Oh, got a bite. What was it? Not sure what type of fish that was. Let go before I had a chance to set. Something real small on there. Another bluey. Man, you need to send your friends that ain't you. This feels like a decent fish. Oh man. Fish. He's got him hung up. He got himself hung up on a. He's a little trout. And he's hung up on the raspberry over there. I gotta go over there and get him off. Shit. Poor guy. Yeah, he's all wrapped up in that thing. Okay. We'll be back. It's a really little rainbow. You can see him right here. Ooh, he's hooked kind of funny. Oh man. kind of in the gill. I think it's on the wall outside of it and he'll live. Yeah, he's not bleeding funny or anything. There he is. I'm gonna release him. Just get him back in the water. There he goes. Thanks for playing, little dude. First trout of the day. A monster by no means, but taking steps in the right direction. It's always fun catching any fish. I don't care what it is. Although, I'm not trying to catch bluegill all day, I'll be honest. It's the one fish, that's my other line I just snagged, and we'll throw one cast, then we're gonna go get that snag out and move it down river some more, because there's a nice spot up there where I caught a 2-pound trout. See a lot of these things this time of year, these little tadpoles that are halfway in their transformation to frogs. The next spot I'm going is up here. I caught a big fish in this water in the springtime. This is a real big pool of water, and there's a freshwater clam right there. It's a big pool of water, and there's another one after it. So I'm gonna do this one and then the next big pool, and then I'll probably turn around and go home and call it a day. So I'm pretty sunburnt, and I'm tired. I fished like 8 hours yesterday. I caught a huge brown trout. The one day I don't have my GoPro, but it's the way it goes. Alright, I think I'm gonna start with the woolly bug here. Anyway, I'll come back if there's any action. Changed my mind. Decided to start with the pan throw. Kind of like to bob it up and down like that. Everybody has a different way they like to make their lure dance. Do you, Bo? Stick with what works. Little fish following. What is it? Can't tell if that's a bluegill. We don't care about him. Alright. I'll come back. Something happens. Do I have a fish on still? I think I do. Yeah. And that should be a trout. Feels like a trout. Let's get the net ready. Yep, it's a nice one. It's not huge, but no, I've only caught 1 or 2 today, so. Yay. That makes me feel good. Ooh, he's got some funky marks on him. Something was chewing on him a little. Let's take him over here. Let him relax on the net for a minute. Here's the fish I just caught. There he goes, back to his waterfall. So I was fishing this waterfall
And there's all kinds of rocks and interesting things under here. And one thing about this channel, we're gonna fish spots and then we're gonna check the camera, we're gonna go in the water, we're gonna see how many fish are down there, what it looks like. I saw the fish out of this waterfall a minute ago, but the fishing is slow today, so let's get in there. Let's go see if that was one fish here. I think it's much more.
One thing about fishing, I see a lot of beautiful things, like this whole tree's in bloom. All these nice, beautiful purple flowers over here. That waterfall up there I was fishing. And no, it's good to stop and take a moment. Recognize how pretty your world is. A fish just surfaced right here. Couldn't tell you what it was, but I'm about to throw my line down there and try to find out. Just had to take a moment though and just acknowledge how beautiful this little spot is all by myself. Loving life. Bluegill are thick today, man. It's almost hard to avoid them. Sometimes I try not to talk and say a lot. Just let you guys enjoy the sounds of nature. So I just jumped right out there in the middle. I think I can get out to him from here. Oops, that was way short. I'll do a quick retrieve. Nice and low. Alright, let's get it way out there this time. Guess I could throw. Make sure I don't fall in the water. Oh crap, I went way to the right and hit the tree, and that's all bad. You know what though? Sometimes mistakes work to our benefit. Ended up getting one more trout at the end of the day. And I think after this I'm going to call it a day. Rainbow. There he is. There he goes. Catch and release, baby.